So in this video I am going to tell you about relationship between natural number 1/2 and prime number is discovered. I am going to talk about how I discover this relationship. So let's start. So first question is what I found and discover. So answer is I independently found the relationship between natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1/2 and prime number. So the relationship between natural numbers 1/2 and prime number. So how I discover this? So by means of this prime distribution table. So this how I discover this. So how I found this prime distribution table. Let's talk about how I discover this prime distribution table. So basic motivation for this research was Riemann hypothesis and its reward. But unfortunately, Riemann hypothesis was found at the dead end. But what I take from Riemann hypothesis is that the 1/2 and prime numbers have some relationship. So taking in mind that 1/2 and prime numbers have relationship, but how to find this relationship? So I independently tried many ways and methods for this relationship. How can I establish the relationship of 1/2 and prime number? So in one of my effort, I accidentally found some relationship between 1/2 and prime number. And so I further made a detailed analysis of my finding, which leads to me to unlock the relationship between natural number 1/2 and prime number. So after trying multiple times, multiple methods and multiple ways, I finally got the relationship between this. Now let's look at the table. So this table is everything of my research. So in this table, first column is natural number or say serial number starting from 1 to infinity. Then in this table, so there are multiple columns. So second last column is prime number. So in this column we actually get the all prime number generated, and if we give them the number we get first, second, third like this. So in short, we input the natural number and we get in output the prime number. And so how this relationship is established? So through the column. So first of all, let me tell you whatever I do in first row, in all rows same procedure is repeated. So now what is in second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column? So this is the formula. So we just input this number. We input the number 1, then there is the formula that gives some data here, then another formula that gives the data here, then another formula, some data is created here. So definite data is created in this column. So in column number 2, 3, 4 and 5, definite data is created. Thereafter the decision is taken on the basis of this, and that output is come. So I am not revealing the detail about this formula right now, but I am giving some insight how I made this discovery that established the relationship between this natural number 1/2 and prime number. So where is 1/2? So 1/2 is used in this formula. So 1/2 has a major role in this formula. So in terms of input and output, if we talk, in first row I input number 1 and I get the output. In thereafter same procedure is repeated, and the result of repetition we found that the prime numbers are generated here. All prime numbers are generated in this column. So where is the 1/2? 1/2 is hidden in this formula. So right now this is the kept hidden or say secret, and in future I am going to disclose this information. Now what the new thing I discover in this table? Now let's talk about something new. After analysis of the table, what I found. So in table approach, I found that the next prime calculation is possible. I am using calculation, or we can say forecasting, but forecasting is not 100% accurate, but the next prime number calculation is 100% accurate. So in table approach, we can calculate the next prime is possible. So this is the new thing what I discovered through this table. Then second thing, this table uncover the distribution of prime number. Particularly, we understand why prime numbers are behaving as we see today. So in today we don't know why the prime numbers are looks like random, but I can say, or I can promise you, once this all data will come out through this table, the all question regarding this distribution of prime number will get solved. So the understanding of the prime number and their behavior will get clear. Now, what is the next new thing I found in this table is that the efficient algorithm is possible with sequence approach. Now, I want to say that at present, all the algorithms runtime can be reduced drastically. So on computer, the different algorithms are used to find the prime numbers, and by using this table insight we can develop the algorithm. And actually I have checked one algorithm in Excel which performance is good in terms of the time and efficiency. Next new thing, even using the AI, artificial intelligence, it is possible that the continuous improvement of the sequence is possible. And what is the outcome of the using AI? If we use the AI to analyze the sequence, it means that using only less than 1% of the data to decide the prime or to produce the prime number up to possible. What is mean of this? The meaning of this is that suppose we want to produce the prime number up to 1 lakh, then just using the 1% of 1 lakh data we are able to produce the all prime number up to 1 lakh. Suppose we want to produce the data up to 1 billion, then just by 1% of 1 billion data is analyzed and to produce the prime number. So this is the capability of the insight from this table. So this is the future use of the AI can reduce the percentage wise the data that is needed to produce the prime or to know the prime. Then next insight is that in the field of mathematics, this table can help to decide about primality of prime number 2. Nowadays, we have a doubt regarding the prime number 2, whether it is the prime or not. But from this table, we definitely get the definite answers about the number 2. Next finding is in the field of mathematics, this table can help to decide about why number 1 is not prime. So in today we know the number 1 is not prime, but what is the reason? So this table will definitely tell you why number 1 is not prime. Overall, the table approach will unleashing the secrets of prime. Then by using this table method can be used to produce the twin prime continuously. So this is the major finding. So by using this table approach, even forecasting or calculating of next twin prime is also possible. And also why twin prime comes like the way how why they come like all answers regarding twin primes will get solved after this table is made public. I have used the word beyond Riemann hypothesis, new world of the prime found. So why I say like that? Beyond Riemann hypothesis, new world. So what we expect from Riemann hypothesis if proved that all thing my discover prime distribution table is providing. So my approach is different, but whatever the answers we are looking from Riemann hypothesis, whatever the answers, those answers are or can be given by my this new discovery prime number table. So this prime number table is providing all insight about prime, their distribution and even calculation. Even twin prime distribution also get well understood why it is like that distributed in twin, and even their production from this table is also possible. Also, my motivation for my research is Riemann hypothesis and its reward. So initially when I started to look at this Riemann hypothesis and when I started to study, so that's why I use the word beyond Riemann hypothesis, new world of prime is found. But unfortunately, I was unable to prove directly Riemann hypothesis. Yes, I have to mention that I have not worked directly on Riemann hypothesis. But fortunately, I got independently relationship between natural number 1/2 and prime number. Feedback from audience. So as this my research is independent of Riemann hypothesis, but proving the relationship of 1/2 prime number and natural numbers. So what do you think about it? What should be I do to get the benefit of this research? Please comment. If any of my viewers or audience have any idea, then they can comment or communicate with me. Also, if anyone of you know about answers or any kind of the help that can be provided to me so that I can fully disclose my discovery this prime distribution table. Now challenges to viewers. So viewers, I have put the structure of my discovery of prime distribution table. So if possible, try to crack the formula. Yes, it is not easy, but if you can try, or else wait for the announcement of the full table from my side. If you have, or you can try it. So this is the challenge I have put to my viewers. I also expect some feedback from you. So thank you very much. Please like, share and comment your views. So how can I progress in the future direction? Thank you very much.